Guys, welcome back. Okay, so my face might be too bright or too yellow. That's just because I'm in my bathroom and I'm trying to decide what to wear. But anyways, so today is a Sunday and usually on Sundays my husband cooks. But my daughter said that she wanted to eat lobster and my husband's like not really good at cooking lobsters. So we're just gonna go out and eat. Usually we do not go out on Sundays, and that's just because my little one is like all over the place, which I'm fine with, I don't care. But my husband gets really overwhelmed. So yeah, what to wear? I'm deciding to wear this mustard shirt, but I'm wearing mustard at home, so I don't know. And then there's this green shirt, teal color, it's really pretty. And also there's this denim jacket and there's a jumpsuit, so I might just wear this. It looks too long, but it's not as long. So yeah, just wear the jumpsuit with that jacket because I can always take it off if I'm like too hot. So yeah, let's see. Let's get ready. Okay, so as you can see, my kids are all over the place. I've already done my foundation. It's not gonna be like perfect makeup video. It is just gonna be a random one because I'm really in a hurry. I'm trying to get ready because I want to get my kids ready in time. And if you hear any background noises, I apologize. I've already applied the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Golden Beige, I believe. And now I'm actually gonna prime my eyes a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm really thinking about putting like a thick eyeliner and like a bold lip color because hey, it's fall. So I'm gonna take the shade Suede on Morphe whatever brush, Morphe 535, and I'm just gonna apply it in my transition line. Ooh, it's pigmented. See, I really want to not do like, you know, a lot of eyeshadows. I really want to do like bold eyeliner because it's been a while since I've done that. This shade Sandalwood. So just to give my eyes a little bit of dimension, I've taken this shade Sandalwood and applied it right under the shade Suede. Again, the shade Demure, and then I'm gonna apply it on my lid. Oh wow, this is pink. I don't want a pink shade. I really don't want a pink shade. Maybelline Age Rewind. So this is the shade Bare that I've taken. It's like a white kind of a shade. White. When I'm like going out with my husband, and kids, I wanna look decent. I don't really play around with my eyeshadows as much, and honestly I don't really have time either, like to do all the experiments. A little tiny bit, oh my god, a lot of fallout. Well, it's just normal with any pigmented eyeshadow, you will see a lot of fallout. I thought my husband was fine, but no, he's not. I want to surprise him, you know. I mean, he doesn't care if I'm recording. It's just that I don't want to give him that impression that I'm taking forever. That, you know, I always beat him. I want to beat him this time too. So I'm gonna apply my Tarte Shape Tape. It's on the countertop. This conversation is so... I'm gonna take, and I have not applied mascara yet, so I'm gonna take this pink blush, which is, I think, rosé, so yes. Oh my god, this is a lot of blush, but I don't care. You guys know me that I don't care. Oh my god, I forgot to apply the setting powder. Okay, I don't have time for setting powder, so I'm just gonna take this MAC Studio Fix, and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. Girl, I believe, or something. LA girl, Wet n Wild. I'm gonna apply it. It's like a nude. So I don't know, because of my liner, I don't know if you can see my lashes, but they look really good. I'll try to come closer so you can see, take a closer look. Oh, it's really nice, I have to say. And my husband's coming back again. He's doing something in the car. I think he's just cleaning it up. Okay, I'm recording right now, baby. Okay, I'll go in your car. Does it matter? It does not matter, right? Whoever's car is this. Okay. I feel like I want to go under my eyes, and I want to take this shade Raw, I believe, and I'm just gonna apply it like right under my eyes, just to give it like that effect. So I'm just gonna take some champagne pop, Prosecco pop, I guess. It's a Prosecco pop, and I'm just gonna apply that. Looks pretty good, right? And I'm just gonna do. Oh no! I'm gonna apply it on my pimple. It's gonna pop more. This is a ruler by Maybelline. Your Voyager by Maybelline, and I apply a lot of Maybelline lipsticks out. I like them. Yeah, this looks really nice. I love that it has like a pointed tip. You can really like, it's even looking good with this shirt, but I'm gonna be changing into like a black jumpsuit. That's the plan so far. I think I've already shown you in a clip. So let's see, let's get ready, let's get the kids ready, and then I'm gonna show you the entire look. You guys are looking cute. Look at those shoes, the outfits. I'm not taking a photo, I'm making a vlog, by the way. Ooh, you look like a grown-up.
Yeah, and I'm looking, me and Mommy are twinsies today.
Yes, we kind of are. We have matching shoes, right?
Yeah. And matching Baba changed his mind. He wanted brown shoes since Anaya,
and this one's running away. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop. Niley, let's go in the car. Mohammed. Yes, he has two names. He has Nile and Mohammed. Two names. Come back, come back, come back.
I go to drink my pink lemonade. Hey! Vlogging! Hi!
Which is a pink lemonade? This is Sprite, this is pink lemonade, that's pink lemonade. This pink lemonade? But she said...
This brings us to the end of our vlog. It was a long day. Well, it was a Sundays, and Sundays are usually very busy and exciting. But I'm just so happy that I'm getting a hang of making vlogs now. You have to comment down below and tell me if you guys want me to make more vlogs for you, more makeup videos, more whatever you want me to create. I will create for you, because I feel like now I'm getting that confidence where I can make more vlogs. I am more comfortable with, handling the camera and everything. And yeah, the weather is beautiful, by the way. I don't want to go inside. But we're done for the day. I'm thinking that they should make a vlog in Urdu, because a lot of you have asked me if they speak Urdu. They do speak a very good Urdu. Actually, I talk to them in Urdu, not in English as much, right?
Yeah, I'm the one that knows Urdu a lot better. Subscribe to the purple bell right over there.
Purple bell right over there? What?
A bell.
Okay, they did not get to see Niall today.
Baby.
Baby? Who's baby? Wah wah? Are you baby wah wah? He's ready to go home. So subscribe to our channel. Say bye.
Bye.
Love you.